Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create beautiful and clean outline on your text object. So let's move ahead. I'm going to create a new artboard, 800 by 800 pixel. First thing, I'm going to create my background. Okay, 800 by 800, cool. Centralize it. I'm going to change my color. I need a shade of orange. I'm going to use my hex code F15A29. Good. Then let's have our text. Inspire. Yeah, let's get inspired. Okay, I'm going to use the font Aristotelica. Yep. First thing first, if you want to create a clean outline, instead of using strokes, stroke most often doesn't give you a clean outline. Doesn't give you a clean outline. See, it keeps reducing, but you can actually give your write-up an outline without reducing the weight. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to create outline first. Then we'll move to object, path, offset path. Yeah, I will leave it 20. You can play with it to your taste. I will leave mine as offset 20, round 4. Okay. Then unite. Cool. Then let's deal with this alone. Open it, highlight everything. First of all, I'm going to give it the color white. Then I will unselect the outline so that I have just my text, and give it the same color with my background. Don't be scared when you see something like this. All it means you just need to move your Inspire forward. So arrange, bring front. Cool, right? How do you see this? Beautiful, right? Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Please do well to subscribe. You can play with it and see what you can get. If you have any question, drop it in the comment below. Thank you.